Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new legal breaking reporting. As of yesterday, 5/2, Donald Trump has officially lost his court case regarding his illegal, unconstitutional executive order targeting Perkins Coie. Let's start with this reporting by The Hill.
Judge rules Trump's order targeting Perkins Coie unconstitutional. 2 points, however, is contrary to Judge rules Trump's order targeting Perkins Coie unconstitutional. By Philip Timotea, a federal judge ruled on Friday evening that President Trump's March executive order targeting Perkins Coie is unconstitutional and ordered the government to abstain from enforcing the action. U.S. District Beryl Howell blocked the order against the elite law firm, arguing the president's measure was in breach of several provisions of the Constitution. No American president has ever before issued executive orders like the one at issue in this lawsuit, targeting a prominent law firm, with adverse actions to be executed by all executive branch agencies. But in purpose and effect, this action draws from a playbook as old as Shakespeare, who penned the phrase, "The first thing we do, let's kill all the lawyers," Howell wrote in the 102-page order on Friday. Trump's March 6th order moved to bar the firm's attorneys from accessing federal government buildings, revoke attorney security clearances, and demand a review of the firm's contracts. The executive order is part of the Trump administration's broader efforts to punish prominent law firms that have either represented his political opponents or have ties to individuals who have participated in investigations against him. Other law firms targeted by Trump include WilmerHale, Sussman Godfrey, and Jenner & Block, all of which have also sued the administration. Several firms, including Skadden Arps, Slate, Meagher & Flom & Paul, Weiss, Rifkind, Wharton, and Garrison, were targeted by Trump but cut deals with the administration to nix the orders. Perkins Coie, which represented Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign in 2016, sued in court less than a week after Trump's order. Days later, Howell temporarily blocked parts of Trump's measure, arguing the executive order was in violation of the First Amendment. Howell's ruling on Friday represents a win for Perkins Coie, joining a small group of law firms that have separately secured temporary restraining orders that, for now, neutralized part of the orders aimed at them. Using the powers of the federal government to target lawyers for their representation of clients and avowed progressive employment policies in an overt attempt to suppress and punish certain viewpoints, however, is contrary to the Constitution, which requires that the government respond to dissenting or unpopular speech or ideas with tolerance, not coercion, Howell wrote in the Friday order.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not only a significant loss for Donald Trump and his administration and regime, but it is also a rightful, legal, constitutional, lawful legal win for the rule of law and the Constitution, as well as democracy. That is going to do it, ladies and gentlemen, for today's, this reporting. If you did enjoy this brand new legal development reporting by The Hill, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Firstly. Secondly, if you want to make sure that you're always up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please consider hitting the bell icon and clicking the all notifications option. It is located right next to the subscribe button down below the screen here, directly on the right hand side. Secondly, if you guys would also like to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias. That'll be linked down below. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok. Fourthly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 160 plus subscribers. The reason why I am saying 160 plus subscribers is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 160 subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve right after we reach and achieve the goal of 160 subscribers. Fifthly, ladies and gentlemen, please stay positive, please stay safe, and know that justice will prevail on the correct side of the law, despite Donald Trump and his unconstitutional, illegal regime and administration's illegal executive orders, illegal actions, and behaviors. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, until my next reporting, you guys are watching Donald Trump lose significantly.